Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making an easy chicken fried rice. So this should be things that you got in your pantry, and so first thing you want to have is your leftover cooked rice. You got a 12.5 ounce can of chicken, or you can just have your leftover chicken as well. You'll need a half of a yellow onion. You can also use a full onion if you want. And I have 3 garlic cloves, which I'm using this minced, which is about a half a teaspoon equals a clove, so it'll be a half, be 1.5 teaspoons of the garlic, minced garlic from the jar if you don't want to cut the garlic yourself. You'll need a cup of peas and carrots. These are peas and diced carrots up in the store. We're going to need a half a cup to a full cup of butter. So this is butter right here. And then we'll need 3 eggs scrambled and a half a cup of soy sauce. So let's get this started and we'll enjoy it, and I'll see you here shortly. Okay guys, let's get this going. First thing we're going to do, we're going to put the butter in here, and we're just going to let it melt, I'm just going to put in 1 stick. Hopefully that'll be enough. In this case, I got the other stick here just in case. We're going to let this butter melt down. So I think that'll be enough. I think that'll be enough. A half cup. You put a half cup to a cup of butter in here. I'm just going to get it melted. It's going pretty good here. We'll set that over here. Alright guys, it's been a while since I've done fried rice, but I enjoy making it. So there we go. Okay, we're gonna do, we'll put the onions in now, and we got the butter in there, and we'll go ahead and put in the garlic as well, and get these things, get it cooking and going good. I like this electric frying pan. It helps out a lot. I prefer it actually over a regular frying pan. There we got that there. Get the rest of that food off there. Alright, we're gonna saute the garlic and the onions in here. Let it cook for a little bit. It's already smelling really good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put in our chicken. This canned chicken's already cooked, so we'll fry that up a little bit, give it some color, break it up some. Now we're going to put in our peas and carrots, get them heated up, cooked up. I like using the frozen. They're almost as good as the fresh because they pretty much freeze them shortly after they're harvested. So there you go. Okay, I think maybe I'll yeah. We go ahead and pull this out here and break the butter up. Break this other butter up. So let it finish cooking up here. I'll show you, it's coming along great here. I think maybe one day I'll get me a wok, and I've seen some people with some skills with a wok. I might consider getting myself one and give it a try. I know something like this would actually work better. There we go. It gets it all good. We'll get all that right in there. So we'll just let it sit for just a little bit. It's already tastes really good. Alright, now we're going to put in our rice. This 4 cups of cooked rice, already cooked. If you got some leftover rice, I'm going to put that in there. Okay. And we're going to get this mixed in there. Right. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add in our half a cup of soy sauce in here now. That just smells really good. Get that mixed in. Alright guys, we're going to take our eggs now. I'm going to crack these open here. Alright, now I'm going to take our eggs and get those beaten up pretty good. So you can see, it won't take too long. All right. Go ahead and put these back up in here. This already smells really good. So what we're gonna do now is we'll just take this egg mix, the eggs, put them in here, and we're just gonna scramble them over here off to the side. All mixed in there. They're just about done there. Alright. Alright, now that we got the eggs done, we're going to get them chopped up. Get them broke up pretty good. We're just gonna mix the eggs right on in there. They're all mixed in there. Okay guys, there we go. This looks really good. Alright, just give me 1 second here. Alright, now we got this done. Just look at that. That looks so good. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Awesome. So as you can see, it's something real easy. And it tastes good. Bring this up some more. Gosh. And it's full of flavor. Well, I could eat this all day. So, and everything that's here you normally have in your house already. So, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Take time to comment below. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do a cooking video like this every Saturday. I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos. So I'll see you guys next video. And you guys enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And I'm going to finish eating this up here. full of flavor, nice and hot. Makes it right good.